Okay, so in this video, I'll be going over part 2 of this ProMod Auto Excel file. Just like always, we want to check H2 points to the right model location. And then if it does, we can go ahead and click Load Model. We check ProModel, the file is loaded in there, and obviously the machines are all pulled in as well. So now we're going to go to the Scenario Automation tab here. We're going to declare the number of scenarios just to be 12. For testing purposes, and then we're going to hit load scenario params. So right now, if you don't know what scenario parameters are or what scenarios are, I would recommend to watch Ganesh's video or to read some documentation on it, since that's outside the scope of this video. But if you do know what scenarios are, these are just pulling in the macros that you've defined as a scenario parameter. Now we're going to generate scenarios, and like the generate data button on the other sheet, this is a uniform distribution of 0 and 1. And like the other sheet, you're expected to go to Developer tab, Design mode, and then double click on Generate Scenarios, and you can change it to be normal, exponential, or modified how this data is generated to fit whatever you're researching or experimenting at that time. So once that's all set, we can go ahead and hit Run Scenario. Now if we go to Simulation, Scenario Manager, we can see that we have that baseline model, and we also have all 12 scenarios loaded in as well. And if we go to Simulation or Build and Macros, we can see these factors, and they're also being changed as well. So that's essentially how you automate the scenario process with ProModel.